Hi, I'm John Younger. I do the paintings that we're going to be talking about, the watercolors. I'm here representing expertvillage.com. In this example, I wanted to show you that washes always don't have to be directional in one direction. In this, you see the vertical colors coming down through it. They're various colors, leaving some white for, this is the dome of the St. Charles Courthouse looking up from the Katy Trail, but leaving some white areas. I also did some washes from the bottom to the top to bring the colors up into the painting rather than having it all in one direction. After the colors were relatively dry, I started laying in some yellows and some reds where I knew I was going to need those colors. You can lift off a little bit of color even if to bring out something by wetting it and then bringing dry towel into it or dry paper towel and lifting a little color out, which again gives it a little more variety of color.